Hey guys, Modern Day Rob coming at you here today. Just with a quick announcement video. Me and my team is going to be going to LS Fest September 8th through the 10th, 2023. We're not going to be like at a booth. We're just going to be there visiting and checking out the show. We love to meet our customers though, so I was like, what can I do to make sure we meet some customers? Well, everybody's going to be wearing Modern Day shirts. And if you see us in our Modern Day shirts, since we love to meet our customers, come up, introduce yourselves. We'll give you a discount code for your next purchase off of our website to buy all your favorite Holley and LS products. Thank you. Hope to see you there.